Make it in Emirates is a fantastic initiative by the UAE government. We from the Ceratizit group are proud to be here meeting the customers that we support. We look forward to continuing our support to the customers in UAE.
We are working here from the United Emirates from last 20 years, plus 20 years, and we are presenting here Ceratizit brand for the cutting tools related. So this is our clients where we are dealing with them for which is manufacturing the armored vehicles and defense related some other products and aviation line. And parallelly we are promoting Ceratizit brand for oil and gas and as well as some other manufacturers.
Ceratizit as a cutting tool leader, we are offering a lot of innovation solution to this segment, especially for oil and gas, aerospace industries, and then I can say general engineering. Mainly for oil and gas industry, we are offering a lot of tubular products. As a lot of success story we have. Today we are showcasing a lot of new technology to the customer as well.
People who start early have a great advantage. That is what Ceratizit have done for Make It in the Emirates.